Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing but reviewing the Arozzi Favo gaming mouse, which is probably the best mouse you can get for your money right now. Now, I'm going to obviously first show the unboxing experience, which is probably the best experience I've ever had with any videos so far where I actually had the product. But otherwise, I'll get to the specs later on after the unboxing. Let's get straight to the specs you need to know. Starting off with the DPI. So this mouse does in fact have 6 different sensitivity modes, with the lowest mode being 200 DPI to the max of 16,000 DPI, which is probably one sensitivity that I don't understand, and I don't think anyone really needs that much sensitivity with a mouse. But you do have that, and by obviously clicking to change your different DPI, it changes the RGB or the lighting of the scroll wheel and the logo inside the mouse itself, which is actually quite nice. Again, to the bottom of the mouse, you do obviously have an RGB lighting at the bottom, which obviously is quite interesting. So I'm also going to be displaying the different RGB modes, but there is a max of 9 different modes that they have, and it's all able to be changed at the bottom of the mouse with the RGB light effects button. Now, getting to the design of the mouse, it's actually very nice. Obviously, a lot of airflow with it, very light, and I will also get to the weight later on, but it's very light, very comfortable with the hand grip, and just feels more breathable compared to other mouses. Now, getting to the cable, you are in fact getting a nice braided cable, which is very useful and just gives you more security of making sure the cable is not going to break anytime soon. Now, what's interesting about this mouse, it does in fact have a cable tie attached to the cable itself, which is very useful, especially wanting to pack the mouse up for travel use, or even just putting it in storage just for a bit of time. But let's get straight to the weight of the mouse compared to another mouse, which is actually in the same price range. So I compared this Arozzi Favo mouse towards the Logitech G102, which is my previous gaming mouse. And the weight difference is actually insane. And these mouses are in basically the same price range. So the G102 weighs about 92 grams compared to the Arozzi Favo, which weighs about 72 grams, which is very light compared to the same price range mouse. Now, honestly, the price for this mouse is actually not too bad at all. It is $49 for the mouse, or 600 Rand, which is actually not bad at all for this type of mouse. It's light, it's very comfortable with the grip, and it has a very good build quality with its overall design. I mean, nice body, nice cable, which I now can trust that will not snap or break anytime soon because of the braided cable. And it's just overall comfortable in my hand. So here's my rating out of 10, which is going to be 9.5 out of 10. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. If you do want to support Eagle Studios in any way, you can go to rogueenergy.com to use my code Eagle Studios to get 10% off your purchase. Well, I hope you have a great day. See you guys in the next video, and be safe. Bye.